train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin.
Wagwan guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rochelle. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be doing an unboxing video today. So please remember to leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Rochelle_Shella. Follow me on TikTok as well at Rochelle_Shella. And please remember to follow my business page on Instagram at Rochelle_ecommerce. So this is the package that I'll be unboxing today. So yes, I did already start pull it. Okay, I'm anxious to see what's in the box. I'm so anxious to see what's in the box, okay? Yeah. So let's pull this thing and see what's in it. Whoa! Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be unboxing today, okay? So before we go into the video, this video is highly sponsored by Bekicks. So as I've always been telling you all, you guys can get your nice designer shoes on Bekicks. Yes, from Nike Air to Jordan, Balenciaga, Gucci, any designer shoes you all want, you can go on Bekicks and you can purchase them, okay? And they sell handbags on there and jewelry as well, so you guys can head over there and you guys can make your purchase. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be placing their information in my description box so that you guys can head over there and you guys can make purchase if you want to, okay? So you guys can use my coupon code QUEEN to get 10% off, okay? So their website link is www.bekicks.ru. I'm gonna be placing their Instagram in the description as well as their contact information for their WhatsApp same way, so that you guys can have access to them. So please remember that you guys can jump on my code QUEEN, that's QUEEN. I'm gonna be placing it on the screen, and then you guys can use my code so that you guys can get 10% off, okay? So the box, as I showed you all before, so this is my shoe. I am in love with this. But I like it, is unique and neat. Guys, literally the bottom of this tough, and I don't soft nothing. It must say the boot tough. My finger can't even press the shoes to how it's tough. Like, and not to mention inside of here is so smooth. Like, as some know, say inside of this is very comfortable. The insole is very soft. So I'm going to be trying this on and show you all how it look on my feet. So mega try this on and you all gonna be the judge and tell me how this look and tell me how much out of 10 when I get the shoes, right? I love the little gold thing here on the shoes. It's the reason why I picked this one. And not to mention the box. Like the box come literally just like the shoes with the whole white and gold pattern thing. So that is what I love about the packaging as well. So I'm gonna be trying on the shoe and then show you all how it look. Right? So let's go. We're gonna go on with the shoes. So I'm gonna pull this. Alright guys, so you all tell me what you think about the shoe. Me don't know, but for me love the shoes bad, and it's very very comfortable on my foot. Yeah, very very comfortable, like no joke about that. And like you see around it padded, like around it padded, and it's so comfortable. Like me can tell say if me for having these shoes throughout like a whole day, you know, I'm gonna make my foot hot. Cause I don't know I have breathable shoe. But now like the shoes comfortable. Like I have on the shoes without socks and it's so comfortable. Imagine when I put on socks. The shoes is so nice. So if y'all want this specific shoe, I'm gonna be putting the shoe link in my description so that you guys can have easy access to it, where you can go on the website and purchase the same exact shoe. So remember to use my coupon code QUEEN, QWEEN, so that you guys can get 10% off. And as usual, I'll be placing all their information in my description box where you guys can go and check them out. And if you guys see any nice things that you like, jump on it. I just said a lot of nice jewelry, chains, earrings, necklace. But now like, me just like the whole thing say, you know, this just comfortable. So every single sneaker woman have this just hit difference. It's different, y'all. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So it's a girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Bye.